birthday, Mommy!
Thank you.
Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog! So today, we're here in Tagaytay tonight. And Baguio. It's my mom's birthday. Fun fact. Not so fun fact. Laging umuulan pag birthday. Hi guys! Nasa Hacienda. Nasa Hacienda kami. Tapos sobrang na-overwhelm na yung tatay ko. Sa sobrang daming nakikita. Guys, pinareserve namin yung yung salok. Para sa birthday ni Mami. Happy birthday mo.
Kare-karing bagnet, 9. Solid 9.
Okay. We also ordered buttered garlic chicken wings. 10 out of 10. Watermelon shake, 10 out of 10. Day to you, happy birthday to you. Hey guys, so room tour. Lagyan ng clothes and ng stuff. Tatabi ng coffee nook. And our refrigerator. And then on the other side is our CR. Asan yung ilaw? Papalakpak ba dito? Ba't walang ilaw? Paano to? Ay. Nasa labas. Bobo. Ay. So, here is the shower. Medyo masikap. Like me. Eh? The faucet. Sink. Yay! My blower! Woo! A woman designed this with vanity and the toilet. And then here we have a whole ass vanity. And then here's our queen size. Here's our California king bed. Okay, that's my sister. And then TV, ay balita, ingat po sa baha. Our stuff and the view. Maulan. Day 1 fit check. Converse. Ano sa'yo? Magsalita ka naman.
TikTok, shop,
H&M.
Uniqlo,
Bench. Ay, bench. Cancel. And Uniqlo.
okay.
Okay.
Kape. Alam mo to. Hindi ko pinagpapalot. Kasi sa recommendation ng mga anak mo.
Lunch time.
Western at Central Nueva Ecija, mga lugar na ito.
Para kaming nasa Baguio. We're inside the mall. Marami pang wala, but the cinema is here, I think.
For this
Dinner. So, for day 2 of our vlog, nanood kami sine. Outfit of the day, TikTok shop, Uniqlo, Bench, and gift ni Ate Darren. Thank you! So, we're on our last day here sa Tagaytay. Tatawa ko. I'm here with my sister. So, like, every vacation, it feels parang mabilis. Parang kakarating lang namin dito kahapon. Tapos, kahapon na isang araw. And then, uwian na. Of course, like every vacation as well, we made sure to pack it all in those 2 days. So we get to try different restaurants and cafes. And my family and I, we get to do our most favorite thing to do in the world, which is manginain at magpakapatay-gutom, but more on trying out different and new food. But of course, I also wanted my family na makapagpahinga from all their very stressful work. My mama, my tatay, and my silly. So we actually get to try a lot of different restaurants. Mostly mga Filipino food. Yung mga na-try namin, they were actually really good. I like Balay Dako. They also like sa Salakot as well. I think my most favorite one sa mga food there was the sisig sa Balay Dako. Now, usually yung mga sisig, diba, parang para silang yung mga lasang may mga laman loob and all that. Meron din naman yung sisig nila, but hindi siya yung overpowering, yung atay flavor. I'm also not a fan. Pero yun nga, it's good. Hindi siya overpowering. I also love their homemade sorbetes na parang pa-gelato na yung texture niya. It was really good. It's quite pricey, but it's really good. I tried yung pineapple coconut kasi yun yung pinakabawas. But also, I was looking for something refreshing. And it was, but it's also creamy. Like the ice cream texture that we all love. So, I really loved it. I think for me, yung highlight is yung Chocolateria. I mean, yung nanood kami ng sine and then nag-Chocolateria. Because it's such, para siyang new experience, very familiar experience as well, if you get what I mean. Like, nanonood naman talaga tayo ng sine back home, but it's different kasi sa ibang mall, sa ibang lugar. And also, yung mga hot chocolate sa Chocolateria, we drink a lot of it. But then, ayun nga, it's a different experience. The experience in Chocolateria was really good kasi, ano siya, hindi siya yung sinerve lang sa yung drink. Like, gaganunin mo yung hot chocolate. Yeah. And then, added the experience din yung sa akin kasi the one I ordered was yung alamode. So, wala talagang laman yung cup ko. Parang DIY siya na ako yung based on my preference kung how much ice cream I would put in. And the chocolate, syrup, and all that. So, it was really nice. And the taste as well, syempre, is really good. Puro ba? Purong chocolate siya. Yes. It's thick, it's creamy. But then, na-balance out nga nung sa alamod ko ng ice cream. So, it was smooth. It was perfect. It was perfect for sweet tooth and sweet treats lover like me. So now, currently, nagpa-prep na kami ng sister ko cause sister, show yourself. Hi. Kasi, ayun, mag-check out na kami. We're gonna go home. I think it's good na hindi na rin tayo cause breakfast. Yeah, mag-iikot today kasi baka mabutan kami ng traffic if there is. And uwi na tayo while the weather is still good. It's sunny right now, pero parang the dark clouds are moving fast. Parang naghahabol. So, kailangan namin siyang unahan. Like my tatay said, we can always come back here naman daw. Na-enjoy niya na rin yung pag-drive kasi natuto na siyang mag-drive ng malayo. So, if ever we missed any lugar na dapat puntahan dito or like may bago, we can always come back to check it out. That's the finished makeup look. Parents take over the room kasi kailangan namin umalis. But yeah. Last outfit of the day. Bye! I hope you enjoyed the vlog as much as I did. Yeah, see you on the next vlog. Bye!